Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a paper popper, and it looks like this. Okay, and you throw it like a ball and it pops. So you need a piece of paper, fold it in half after that, just like this. And then you want to take this side, the closed part, and open it back up, and then you see the middle line. Fold this side of the piece of paper and fold it here to the midline. Stop it. Okay, and then you should have this. And then what you want to do is take this side and fold it to here. And then you should have this. And what you want to do now is turn this around and then see this, and then fold it once. And then you should have this, and then fold it again the same way. And then you should have this. After that, you want to fold it in white part, and then fold this part to here. Just round it off, and then you should have this. After that, you want to take this part and then pull down on it, and then push it up, and you should have this. And then you throw it like a ball. It should pop. But thank you for watching, and thank you for watching.